September 25th, 2022. I uploaded a video to my YouTube channel about a curbside pickup that I did in my neighborhood of Weber Kettle 22-inch original kettle. Now I was excited because I had never done that before, and hey, to be honest, I always wanted to do that. So it happened and I went out and got it. And I uploaded that video showing you it, and then said that I was going to continue on to pretty much bring it back to life. But it's been 2 years and no video since then until now. I'm happy that underneath this cover right here is that kettle that I picked up off the curb, and I did some things to it. So let me show you what I did to it, and then at the end you'll get the final results. So stick around. What you're looking at is inside the bowl of the Weber kettle. As you can tell, I've already removed the cleaning kit. Right here, you see I'm pressing in the button to release so I can unhook the leg from the base of the Weber. Now with this, since it's been, you can tell it's been out in the open, and so I've had to wiggle it out, push in, wiggle it out, and it pops right off. And that's what you do to the rest of the legs. Alright, so now I have the bowl upside down, and here I'm going to get the base of the charcoal catcher, place it right on there, and what these are going to do, they're going to hook right on. You press down and they'll hook right into the base of where the legs go in. So just press down, keep pressing down, and you'll feel it'll be stable. It won't move, and you'll hear the clicking sound. As you can see when you look closer and how it looks, they hook right in so it stays in place. Alright, here's the cleaning kit. So I already put it together. You place it down. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hold it down with one finger, and then I'm going to flip it upside down to keep it in place. And I needed to do that because since it was just me doing it, I had no other choice but to do it this way. So I'm holding it from the top now, right there. Now sticking my fingers through the bottom of it and holding it in place. And so now I get the clip. There's the clip right there. So you're gonna put it in place. You know, kind of don't want to fumble like I did right there. You want to try to get it into a perfect place you can, and you'll feel it go right in when you do. Alright, now with this, you're going to stick it right in between, and you're going to feel it when you stick it in. You're going to feel it. It's going to get caught right in the middle. Watch, you'll see here what I mean. You kind of wiggle it in there, and you'll hear like a snap. Once it snaps in, you won't be able to move it anymore. You won't be able to pull it out, push it anymore in, because it's set in place. And we'll get a little closer view up here so you can see what I mean about that. So here it is right there, as you can see. So closer look, and it just sits right there in place, and it's done deal right there. All right, now I'm just working it, seeing how it works, and voila, it's done, brand new. Alright, now it's time to wheels. You can tell these wheels, they're beat up. So just remove the legs. And with this, I had to kind of push it up against my body to hold it into place. Like I said, I was doing this by myself. So you can get anything you can to just try to pop off that cap right there. And it took a bit to do it because it's pretty rusted, and it was in there. I mean, it was stuck in there. So I had to force as I could just get it out, and so I finally did. I just popped it and it came right off. If you have pliers or anything, you probably try to pull it out, pin it off, but I just popped it off. You can see just like that, and then it's just a little cap right there, and then the wheel comes right off, and that's that. So here are the legs. Beautiful legs, red, white, and blue legs. I absolutely love these legs. I mean, when I saw them on Amazon, I was like, yes, I'm getting them. I have to get them. They're just beautiful colors right there. Alright, so now I have the kettle upside down again. So here, this clip right here, it goes right into the leg, the bottom leg, where you see the hole where the clip's gonna clip right in there. On this one right here, I did it upside down. You see it's sticking out. It's not supposed to stick out. The clip, that end's supposed to go inside the leg. So I'll do it on the next leg. You'll see I correct it, and I do pull this white leg out and correct that one, but the clip's supposed to go inside. All the clip's supposed to go inside the leg. And like I said, you'll see in a little bit what I mean by that when I do the next leg. And here with these legs, they're tight. I mean, you have to wiggle it in there, push down just to get it in there. I mean, they're solid. I mean, they're awesome. They're not loose. They don't feel wiggly or nothing. You have to force it in there to get it in there, and that's what I love about it, and to keep it stable. All right, so I got the other legs in there, but I'm going to show you here with the red leg what I mean. So I got the clip here. I'm about to put it in the wrong way again, but then I correct it. All right, wrong way, flip it upside down, stick it in there, and I'm going to show you right here the clip. That's the way it's supposed to go in. Yeah, right in there, just like that. And it clips right in there like that. All right, then place it into the base right there where the leg goes into the bottom of the kettle. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see a lot better. And you're supposed to press down on it. Well, there, I should have held your press down to hold it right there, and then you get it in there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Wiggle. There you go, there you go. There, it popped right in there. That's that on that right there. Beautiful legs. Oh, I'm so happy about them. That's what it looks like right there with the legs, the bottom base. All right, the wheels. Oh yeah, American muscle right there, right? Yeah. All right, so the wheels, easy to do. Pop them right on. All right, so with this, you can go ahead, use a hammer, a mallet, you know, something where maybe put like a cloth over it, so when you do hit it, you can hit it in there so it can get stuck onto the frame of the legs. Because here I'm twisting on there, but then you're gonna see I'm gonna start beating it down with my hand, which, like I said, use a mallet, hammer, or something, you know, to get it on there better. But that's what I did, and then there it is. Ooh, ready to roll, ready to roll. Look at that. Yeah, now look at, it's complete. It's done. Wheels, legs, charcoal catcher, cleaning kit. This is an old country barbecue pit, 3-inch precision temp gauge. What's awesome about this is you can recalibrate it, which is awesome. Now here I'm using a step drill to drill into the top half of the barbecue kettle to install the temp gauge. Now here, you know, you got to be as careful as you can, and that's what I was doing here. It didn't take me too long to do, but like I said, it was just being careful. And what it is, it's supposed to be a 13/16 port, so that's why I'm using the step drill to just do that. And it's awesome to have this, and where I placed it is where it needed to be, which is around the vent. The Weber kettles that do come with temp gauges, they're placed on the opposite side, which is not where they're supposed to be, because on that side, that's where your heat source is going to be when you're cooking in direct. So the temp is going to read all that heat. But when you do it this way, you're going to read the correct temp, because it's on the opposite side where the vent's at, because the vent's going to draw in all your heat to that side of where you're cooking your meat. Do you see it turned right in? Easy. And then I did place the nut at the other side. There it is. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah. A big reveal. Look at that. Yeah, I love that. Legs red, white, and blue. Oh man, I am loving it. So, yeah, there it is. Man. Oh, that is awesome. I just love the way it looks. Yeah. Look at that. Ain't she a beauty? So I already picked out a name. That's Hot Rod right there. Yeah, Hot Rod. I love that name, Hot Rod. But yeah, but you know, I don't know if this is gonna be it for it. For right now, I'll leave it at that, the way it is, but I may do some additional things to it, like a BBQ grommet right here, so I can get some wires in there, so the wires won't be, you know, coming out through the top and bottom right there. So just drill right into there and get the wires in there for your meat. And then I may go as far as sealing up the lid with some BBQ gasket. So I'll see on that, maybe, but we'll see. You know, I kind of just want to do this one up. I mean, Frankenstein it, you know? I mean, found it out the curb in the neighborhood, and look at it now. All right, look at it now. And so, you know, if that's what I do, then I'll do that later on. But for right now, this is what it looks like. So I brought it back from the dead. Yep. So, yeah, hopefully this came out good and you like the way this looks. And then, yeah, of course, I'm going to get a cook on it. So, well, I think I'm going to end this right here. As always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. And smoke on, everyone. That's Hot Rod right here.